x plus y is given to you and x minus y is given to you, and I am asking what is the type of C here. Whenever to learn the mathematics or anything, whatever it is asking, only if you are thinking, then you will not learn anything more. Here the question is asking x and y, but at the same time you need to get into your mind that this is what type of the matrix is there, what is this type of the matrix. You need to question yourself. As I am asking you, in the same way you need to question yourself. Then only you will learn the subject in a proper way. Whatever it may be, not only maths I am saying, any subject, that may be anything, suppose a computer science or anything, whatever it may be, so that you have to question yourself, otherwise you cannot learn more. So now here this is scalar matrix. Now the question is asking you to find out the x plus x and y individually. So when these two matrices are given to you, if you add these two matrices, so what do you get here? X plus y plus x minus y. That is nothing but 7025 plus 3003. 7 and 3 add करो 10 आ जाएगा. Then 0 and 0 add करो, इधर 2, इधर 8. So x plus y plus x minus y is nothing but this y and y will get cancelled, and you are going to get this is 2x. 2x you got it. And this is multiple of 2x is nothing but if you divide every element by the 2, then x you are going to get x is equals to 10 divided by 2, 0 divided by 2, 2 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2. Therefore x is equals to 5, 0, 1, 4. x आ गया है. दोनों को ऐड कर लिया तो x आया. In the same way, if you subtract both, then y you are going to get. X will be cancelled and 2y you are going to get. Or this x you substitute in this, then y you are going to get. Did you get my point here? To find out the y, there will be a multiple ways. To find out the y, there are multiple ways. Here, in the same way as you have subtracted these two matrices, added these two matrices, in the same way you try to subtract these two matrices. ये दोनों को subtract कर लो. Then what do you get if you subtract these two matrices? Here x plus y minus x minus y. So x and x will get cancelled. 2y you are going to get. Then y you will get. This is the one way of doing. You do the experiment. If you do like that, whether you will get or not. Next afterwards here, see here, if I give the solution to you directly, you will not learn more. So try to do your experiments. This is one way I told you. The another way also you can find out. This x you go and substitute in this. Y is equals to this matrix minus x. This matrix minus x. So here x को minus करो, then y you are going to get. समझ में आ रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is the second problem. If you see that second one, so what is the question we are given to you? 2x plus 3y is given to you on matrix. That is 2, 3, 4, 0. Next, 3x plus 2y is given to you another matrix. So that is 2 minus 2 minus 1, 5. 2 minus 2 minus 1, 5. Is it visible to you here till here?
It is visible, sir, but not clear.
Yes, sir, it is not clear.
Clear is nothing but network issue.
Yes, sir, it's okay.
Okay. So here,
Sometimes it can be assumed.
observe properly. From this, how do you find out x and y? Just you consider these are the equations. You keep in your mind that this matrix is one number. So this is 2x plus 3y is equals to one matrix. One number you are getting. 3x plus 2y is equals to another number if you are having. These are the two linear equations in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. So linear equation, how do we find out the x value? How do we find out the x value from this x and y? So this may be difficult to you. So here you suppose if you make either x coefficient in both the matrix equation. This is called matrix equation. So in the both matrix equation, if you make x variable x coefficient equal, so that means here x coefficient is 1 2, here x coefficient is 1 3. So if you make the x coefficients equal, then you can by subtracting that x will be eliminated, and you can make the y coefficients equal. y coefficient equal कर दिया, तो so let us see here y coefficient equal करते हैं. y coefficient equal करने के लिए ये मैट्रिक्स को 2 मल्टीप्लाई करो, ये पूरा मैट्रिक्स को, this is completely one matrix only. For that matrix you multiply 2, so 2 into 2x plus 3y. Why I am making 2 0? इसको 6 करना है, इधर भी 6 करना है, ये 2 को भी 6 करना है, and ये 3 को भी 6 करना है. 6 we can make it. To make this as a 6, then we need to multiply by 2. To make this as a 6, we need to multiply by 3. Did you get my point? So ये पूरा ये इसी को अकेला मल्टीप्लाई नहीं कर सकते, we have to multiply by the 2. So 2 से ये मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, इधर भी 2 मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा, 2 3 4 0. In the same way, you multiply that right side by the 3. 3 से multiply करो. 3 into 3x plus 2y. 3 into 2 minus 2 minus 1 5. So now what will you get this one? 4x plus 6y आ जाएगा. So 2 multiply करते हैं तो 4 6 8 0. Next ये 9x plus 6y. 9x plus 6y is equal to 6 minus 6 minus 3 15. Okay? Now what to do? We need to find out x. X find out करना है तो ये दोनों को subtract करो. पहले ये ले लो, उसके बाद ये ले लो. So what you write here? 9x plus 6y minus 4x plus 6y. So this matrix is that one. 6 minus 6 minus 3 15 minus 4 6 8 0. 4x plus 6y बोले तो ये मैट्रिक्स इधर होगा. Now what do you get here? ये 6y will get cancelled because minus if you multiply, and 9x minus 4y will get 5x. 5x is equal to 6 minus 4 2 minus 6 minus 6 minus 12. Okay, minus 3 minus 8 minus 11. 15 minus 0 15. Now 5x चाहिए, so you want x means x is equal to 2 by 5 minus 12 by 5 minus 11 by 5 15 by 5, which is equal to 3. This is the matrix x you are going to get. And y find out करना है तो this x you can replace here and 2x find out कर सकते हैं, तो 2x को right side ले सकते हैं. Otherwise in the same process we have what we did here, we have eliminated y coefficients equal कर दिया, ये equal करके दोनों को subtract करके eliminate कर दिया. In the same way x coefficient equal कर सकते हैं. How do we make the x coefficient equal? ये पूरा इक्वेशन को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. You multiply here by the 3, so ये 6x हो जाएगा, ये 9y हो जाएगा. ये 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई ये 6x हो जाएगा, ये 4y हो जाएगा. So then you are going to get the y value. Y, can you find out? That also should I explain?
We can find, sir.
Sir, we can find. Yes, sir.
So this is a main idea here. You can do in a multiple ways. Either you can substitute x value in any one of the equation, just like a algebra only, algebra linear equations in the word way, or but here matrices will be there. Okay, so two matrices can be multiplied, and you have not learned how to divide the two matrices. Do remember that matrices को divide नहीं कर सकते, but matrix को एक number से scalar से multiply कर सकते हैं, scalar से divide कर सकते हैं. This is the thing you are having. So 8th problem you can do it in a similar way, and 9th problem also, 10th problem solve the equation for x, y, z. 10th shall I explain here? Can you do it?
We will do it, sir.
Okay. Next, let us go for the 13th problem. 13th problem, some of you may feel difficult, and moreover, that is important also in the examination point of view. Sometimes the questions are asked in the previous exams. So, what is the question given to you in the 13th problem? F of capital X is equals to cos x minus sin x 0 sin x cos x 0 0 0 1. And asking you to find what f of x into y is equals to f of x plus y. Prove करना है. F of x into f of y. F of x is equals to this one. Okay. F of y is equals to what you get here? Same matrix with the variable y you need to write. Cos y minus sin y 0 sin y cos y 0 0 0 1. This is f of y. It is not given, but f of x is given, means f of y you are going to get. The matrix can be written in any way. Now f of x into f of y f of x into f of y. So that means these two matrices should be multiplied. Cos x minus sin x 0. Sin x cos x 0 0 0 1 into cos y minus sin y 0 sin y cos y 0 0 0 1. 3 by 3 matrix multiplication. Two matrices should be multiplied. How do we multiply? Already you know that. And this is 3 by 3 matrix. This is also 3 by 3 matrix. As these two are equal, matrix multiplication is possible. Then the resulting matrix is also 3 by 3. So the 3 by 3 matrix, what you may get very big one. Okay. So let us write here. Now this matrix completely, this row should be multiplied with this column. So cos x cos y. Cos x cos y. Minus sin x sin y 0 into 0 0 0 हो गया. So cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So first row and second column. So first row and second column if you multiply, minus cos x sin y minus sin x cos y 0 into 0 0 हो गया. Next, if you multiply the first row with the third column, ये 0 से multiply, ये 0 से multiply का 0 0 से, इधर 0 हो जाएगा. Next, the same with second row first column, ये second row first column से multiply करो. Second row first column से means sin x cos y, sin x cos y, and cos x sin y plus cos x sin y, 0 into 0 0. Next, sin x sin y minus sin x sin y, because minus is there, minus sin x sin y plus cos x cos y plus cos x cos y, 0 into 0 0 0 हो गया. Next, third row we are having here zeros. ये 0 into 1 0 0 into something 0 0 into something 0 1 into 0 0, इधर 0 हो गया. Next, ये भी वैसे ही है, सेम 0 हो आ जाएगा. 0 into 0 0 0 into 0 0 1 into 1 1, so इधर 1 आ रहा है. And if you observe that cos x cos y minus sin x sin y क्या है? Do you remember? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, that is equals to cos x plus y, that is equals to cos x plus y. इधर minus common ले लो, sin x cos y cos x sin y आ रहा है. So minus common ले ले तो minus of sin x plus y आ जाएगा. Sin a plus b cos a plus b formulas try to recall. Sin a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Cos a plus b is equals to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos a minus b is equals to cos a cos b plus, cos में minus होता है तो plus आता है, plus होता square to minus are there minus here. So then you will get this. And here minus you take the common. The next one is 0. In the same way here, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Sin x plus y. Sin x plus y. And here if you see that cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y means cos x plus y. Cos x plus y. Next afterwards, here it is 0. So 0 you are going to get. And the remaining three are zeros. 0, 0, 1. Okay? And if you compare this one with the given matrix, in the place of x you are going to have x plus y. x का place में x plus y है. इधर same x sin है, उधर भी sin है. x का place में x plus y है. Sin x plus y, cos x plus y, 0. So then what you get here, which is equals to, you can write it as a f of x plus y. Did you understand? Once you see the step here clearly, if you have any doubt, then you ask me, wait for a minute. Do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
It's a simple, okay, but it looks like little bit lengthy. Problem is little bit lengthy दिखता है बस और कुछ नहीं है. Next 15 टास्क करना. Fifteenth one, a square minus 5a plus 6i. A is given to you. So actually your confusion is where I. मैं 16th प्रॉब्लम बोल रहा हूँ. 16th और 15th दोनों सेम है. इसमें कुछ नहीं है. a स्क्वायर फाइंड आउट करना है. a स्क्वायर इज नथिंग बट ये a से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. वो 3/3 मैट्रिक्स है. And how do we find out the square is nothing but you are not supposed to do the directly square. Do remember, I already told you. So you have to multiply that matrix with the itself. वो matrix को उसी से multiply करना है. Okay? So 16th problem I will explain to you. Once you see that 102, 16th one, matrix A is equals to 102, 0 2 1, 0 2 1. 2 0 3 A matrix and asking you to find out prove that a cube minus 6a square plus 7a plus 2i is equals to. The problem is lengthy. A cube directly you cannot find out. What to do first? A square find out करना है. ये हमारे पास है स्क्वायर नहीं है. तो a स्क्वायर फाइंड आउट करना है तो a स्क्वायर इज नथिंग बट a into a करना है. 102 021 203 102 021 203. Okay, so now if you multiply these two directly, I am writing here 1 into 1 1 1 plus 0 plus 4. Shall I write like directly 1 into 1 2 into 0 2 into 2 1 into 0 0 0 into 2 0 2 into 0 0. Next 2 plus 0 plus 6. Next 0 plus 0 plus 2 0 plus 4 plus 0. Next 0 plus 2 plus 3. 2 into 1 1 into 3. Next third row with every column. So 2 into 1 2 plus 0 plus 6 मल्टीप्लाई करना है 5 0 8 2 4 5 8 0 13 ये स्क्वायर लिखा है और ये लिखना है ये क्या है 102 021 203 और इसको मल्टीप्लाई करो a क्यूब आ जाएगा ओके सो व्हाट यू गेट हियर a क्यूब 5 plus 0 plus 16 0 plus 0 plus 0 next 5 2 are 10 plus 0 plus 8 is 24 second row लेना है second row में 2 plus 0 plus 10 0 plus 8 plus 0 5 2 is 2 to the 4 2 to the 4 plus 4 plus 15 observe that whether I am doing right or wrong sometimes it may happen to you as directly doing sometimes may be wrong also 8 was 8 0 and it was 26 next 8 0 plus 0 plus 0 next 8 was 16 16 plus 0 plus 13. See here, so when you multiply whether it is sometimes right or wrong to verify also you can do one thing. As the second matrix is same matrix, you see here some number 0, some number 0, some number, all the zeros, number 0, number 0, number. Like that you compare here, yes, we did a mistake. You see here ये दोनों अलग अलग आए 2 into 0 करना है sorry 2 into 1 नहीं वो सेम नहीं आएगा because we are having here 0 but we are not having here 0 सेम आएगा नहीं वो सही है yes now 8 क्यूब आ गया 16 plus 5 21 0 34 10 plus 2 12 8 19 23 26 plus 8 34 0 40 55 now you got a cube now so now what is the equation is given this one a cube minus 6 into this one 6a square so एक बड़ा मैट्रिक्स का 4 matrices you are going to get 4 matrices is nothing but here a cube minus 6a square plus 7a plus 2i so a cube is nothing but this one 21 0 34 12 8 23 34 0 55 this is matrix a cube minus 6 into a square is 0 8 2 4 5 8 0 13 6a square plus 7 into a whatever it is given to you that you have to write 102 102 021 203 next 2 I is number 2 के बाद here how to choose as a identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 so I think it is not visible to you the corner is that corner is visible to you
No, sir.
No, sir.
can you hear me
Yes, sir.
not visible
No, not visible, but we can hear your voice.
not visible but I am audible
Yes, sir. Sir, visible, but
What is
the
not
video.
visible to you?
Sir, visible, but the video is not properly clear.
Yeah, from past only the video is blurred,
visible to you.
Yeah.
and right now the video is only not visible.
You would have
It came
okay.
again.
What?
It's fully blurred.
Fully blurred.
Yeah.
So wait for a while, then I will disconnect and connect it. so that you may get it in the proper way. Now is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
So I have completely switched off and again on. Switched on. So now if you see that last step here, is the board is visible to you that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it is.
Yes, sir. Now visible.
Now here actually a cube I have written, a cube and minus 6 a square. A square is whatever we got, that one I have written. Next plus 7a. 7 into a matrix. To I is nothing but 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 like this. And इसको simplify करना है. So this matrix you have to simplify and you need to write here. So 21, 0, 34, 12, 8, 23, 34, 0, 55, minus 6 multiply that we will say. 6 5s are 30, 0, 6 8s are 48, 6 2s are 12, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 13. So you actually procedure understood, na? I think you can do that problem. Then after you need to corresponding elements should be subtracted. Corresponding elements को subtract करना है. समझ में आया? Shall I complete?
Yes, sir.
Shall we go for the next
Yes,
one?
sir. Yes, sir.
Next problem, shall we go?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let us go for the 18th problem. Even 17th problem also in the same way. I is already given. Find k such that a square equal to ka minus 2y. K should be nothing but k is a one constant that should be multiplied to the every element of the matrix A in 17th problem. Okay, so now 18th problem, if you see that 18th is actually very interesting and important problem here. Okay, so see the problem here. What is given? A is equals to 0 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2 0. And I is an identity matrix of order 2. Show that I plus A is equals to I minus A into, so here I is nothing but 1001 should be taken into consideration. So if you do the trigonometric formulas and trigonometric identities, and if you make into small changes, then you are going to get it. Trigonometric identities. Do you know the trigonometric identities? All the identities. Here the question is given to you. I minus A. I minus A is nothing but 1 0. So 1 minus tan alpha by 2 will become plus tan alpha by 2. 1 tan alpha by 2 means when you multiply that, then you are going to get. So it's not a difficult problem here, but looks like a difficult. It's not very difficult. So, but it looks like a difficult, but if you try that one, then easily you can get it. Okay? Shall we do it?
Yes, sir.
So,
Sir.
if you see here, tan alpha by 2 and minus tan alpha by 2 is given to you. All the trigonometric identities, if you know very clearly, then you can do that. Trigonometric. And in that here, very lengthy trigonometric identity is also not necessary to you to take here. Okay? So what is given here? The question is given to you that I minus n. First, let us take the right hand side. Right hand side, whatever it is given, that let us take here. So here, the question is given to you, 18th problem now. A is equals to, the matrix is given to you, 0 minus tan alpha by 2 and tan alpha by 2, 0. And first you take the right hand side, RHS you take, left hand side is IA plus A, I plus A. I plus A is nothing but I is nothing but 1001. So, okay, if you want you can take the RHS first you take, RHS it is given to you, I minus A into cos alpha minus sin alpha. Cos alpha minus sin alpha and sin alpha cos alpha. So I बोले तो 1001 minus ये दोनों मैट्रिक्स 0 minus tan alpha by 2 and 0. These two you have to simplify and you need to make it as a single matrix. After making it a single matrix, you need to find out the multiply it to the this one matrix whatever it is given here. So that is cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. So first you make this as a single matrix. If you make it as a single matrix, what do you get here? Which is equals to 1 minus 0, 1, 0 minus tan alpha by 2 plus tan alpha by 2, 0 minus tan alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2, and 1 plus minus 0, 1. this matrix should be multiplied by cos alpha minus sin alpha, sin alpha, cos alpha. Okay, then you multiply this one. Well, if you multiply, what you get? 1 plus 1 into cos alpha, 1 into cos alpha plus tan alpha by 2 into sin alpha. But here you do remember that here it is given to you, one is alpha by 2, another one is alpha. So you need to convert everything into alpha by 2 or everything into the alpha. So that is the main thing you need to remember here. The simplification process is only. Trigonometry is only more here in this. So if you multiply, here I will like this one here because the problem will become like this. 1 into cos alpha plus sin alpha into tan alpha by 2. Next, 1 into minus sin alpha plus cos alpha into tan alpha. Is it right? No. So I am multiplying this with this. I am writing here. It should be written here. What happened? You are not identifying. A first row, first column multiplied and here I write. First row, second column, we have to write here first row, second column. So 1 into minus sin alpha. Please try to identify. Plus cos alpha into tan alpha by 2. Tan alpha by 2 is given to you here. Do remember that. So everything should be converted into alpha by 2. Next, minus cos alpha into tan alpha by 2. Next, ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया प्लस sin alpha. नेक्स्ट माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा sin alpha into tan alpha by 2. Okay, plus cos alpha. Now you have to do that. Every trigonometric identity should be converted. ये cos alpha को sin में alpha by 2 में convert करना है, sin alpha को alpha by 2 में convert करना है, and tan alpha by 2 as it is alpha by 2 ही है. So as this is alpha by 2, these two को convert करना है. So what you have the identities, you try to recall that. Cos 2 theta is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So cos theta is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. In the same way, you can write 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. This can also be written as 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. And sin 2 theta is equals to 2 sin theta cos theta. So sin theta is equals to what you get? 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So here you are having cos alpha, and cos alpha can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square alpha by 2 or 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1. So though you can write. So here what if you are taking, it is possible to you दोनों में वो लेना है. See here only cos is very essential. Here alpha is given to you. Cos, if you take 1 minus 2 sin square cos alpha can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square alpha by 2 or 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1. So which is suitable to us, you need to that one. Suppose if you take 1 minus 2 sin square alpha by 2, ये 1 minus 2 sin square alpha by 2, and here if you write 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2, and tan alpha by 2 can be written as sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2. So cos alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 will get cancelled. 2 sin square alpha by 2 you will get. Here minus 2 sin square alpha by 2. So दोनों get cancelled and you are going to get back. So that's why better you take this one instead of 2 cos square alpha by 2. Suppose here 2 cos square alpha by 2, if you get again cos square alpha by 2 should be written as a sin. As you are getting here sin, better you take sin. In the same way, here if you see sin alpha by 2 can be written written as obviously minus 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. Next plus and इधर cos alpha how do we write? इधर cos alpha कैसे लिखना है? Either you need to take this or this you need to decide. If you take this, what changes you are going to get, you need to first calculate and keep it with you. पहले calculate करके रखना है. तो एक बार suppose इधर ये ले लिया है, इधर भी यही लेना है नहीं. Suppose if you take 1 minus 2 sin square alpha by 2, what change you will get here? 1 minus 2 sin square alpha by 2. I am taking as a cos alpha. Next afterwards sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2. So if you denominator cos alpha by 2 is there. So that's why here you need to take the cos. ये cos वाला cos में आना है. So that's why we will replace this cos alpha second form 2 cos square alpha by 2. 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1 into tan alpha. Tan alpha by 2 can be written as sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha. इसको simplify करो. 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2, 2 cos square alpha by 2 into by this one. Again 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 in the next step. इसको simplify करके ये first term of the matrix. Matrix में पहले term है first row first column. ये first row second column है. So first row second column में क्या आ जाएगा? इसको मैं इधर ही simplify कर रहा हूँ, but in your notebook you need to write in a proper way. What do you get if you simplify this? 2 cos square alpha by 2 into sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2 minus sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2. So cos square and square will get cancelled. Minus 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 plus 2 sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2 ये पूरा cancel हो जाएगा. So इधर आपको tan alpha by 2 you will get minus tan alpha by 2. इधर what you get 1. So लास्ट मैट्रिक्स में आंसर में क्या आएगा? इधर 1 आया है, इधर माइनस tan alpha by 2 आया. नेक्स्ट इसको सिंपलीफाई करना है. cos alpha tan alpha by 2 and plus sin alpha. ये cos alpha what to take is very essential. Either whether you take this one or this one. ये दोनों में क्या लेना है? आप डिसाइड करना है depending upon the situation. That is the main thing here. If you see that this problem, let us say cos alpha by 2. इधर क्या आएगा? 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. ये दोनों सेम की तरह जैसा दिख रहा है थोड़ा सा. So इधर क्या cos alpha what you have taken 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1. So here also 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1. Here you will take this. Then you will get the same answer. But here you need to take 1 minus 2 sin square alpha by 2. So this is the main thing you have to remember. Problem is not lengthy. In 2 different places, 2 different formulas should be taken. Cos alpha should be replaced with 1 minus 2 sin square alpha by 2 or 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1. Renmai, did you understand? थोड़ा confusion है. समझ में आया? हेलो?
Yes, sir.
नहीं आया?
Yes sir, आया है.
मृण्मय बोलना है. Can you hear me? Mrinmay? Okay. I think she's network problem is there. So you try this problem and mostly completed, but steps are not written in a proper way. And the time is also
Sir.
So yes.
Sir, when you explained that last part, your voice was gone for my internet connection. Please, can you explain the last part once again?
Which one, madam?
Last part, that cos 2 theta from there.
Hello? Can you hear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So actually, what is that? See, cos alpha, sin alpha is there. Here alpha by 2 is there. So sin alpha, obviously there is only one formula. That is, you can take the sin alpha by 2 cos alpha. How to take that here? If you want to replace by the alpha, sin alpha can be written as 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. That is fixed. But cos alpha is there. To write cos alpha, by 2. You need to
Sir,
just
your voice is not clear. I'm not getting your voice.
for everyone. Okay. So here again I will explain to you there is a network problem, I think so. For that, in my cos alpha should be taken two formulas: 1 minus 2 sin square alpha by 2 or 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1. Cos alpha can be taken either 1 minus 2 sin square alpha by 2 or 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1. Two formulas are there here. These two में एक लेना है. So क्या लेना है? You have to, depending on the situation, you need to choose here. So what this one you are going to get, you have to see. ये 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. ये sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2. So ये इसको simplify कर दे तो 2 sin square alpha by 2 आ गया. So इसमें sin square आना है. So that the problem becomes simplified. So that's why yes, इसमें sin square आना है तो 1 minus 2 sin square alpha by 2 लेना है. In the same way, if you simplify this part, you are going to get 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. You are going to get C here. So, sorry, yes, sin alpha if you are taking, yes, sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 you will get. So if you take cos alpha as 1 minus 2 sin square alpha, you will not get 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1 you need to get. Okay? So that is a change, and we will discuss that in the next class. Time is also not there, and you need to join for the next other class also. Already we have taken 15 minutes more time. Okay? Take a rest. Mrinmai?
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
And if you have any doubt, I'll give the clear solution in the next class. Okay?
Okay, sir.